In this drawing lesson, we're going to go over how to draw a butterfly in a jar. Really sweet drawing. I think it's really fun to do. I just kind of saw this image all over the place and I felt like I needed to draw it. That's basically it. I just thought like, wow, what a cool image. And so that's it. Completely for beginners, by the way. So if you're brand new, total beginner, you're going to absolutely be able to do this. So let's jump right in immediately. Okay, let's go over how to draw this butterfly in a jar. Should be easy, simple. Let's do it. I'm gonna go over here and I'm going to draw the front. Well, I'm going to draw the side of the wing here. It's going to be at an angle. Line over here. Line over here. Curve up. Down. Going to be a little bit of a bulge going down here. Bulge going down here. A major dip in this area. And then we're going to go into kind of the bottom of that wing right there. So right here, major bulge right here, like an indent here, and then it's gonna bulge out, and then curve back here. Like a line over here. That's gonna be half the wing, right? Because he's at an angle, the butterfly. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. Basically, if you like learning how to draw stuff, you're sitting around, you're like, I don't know what to do today. You know, if you're like, oh, I want to improve myself in some way, you know, absolutely free drawing lessons on YouTube on various items could help you out, and they're all short. So that's the good part. They're all really, really short. But definitely hit that subscribe and click that bell notification if what I do here is worth your time at all. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw the shape of the body right there, and it's just gonna be dark. That's all you need, like a little sausage shape there, and a line over here. Then I'll draw a dot here for the head. Gonna go over here for one antenna, over here for the other antenna. We're gonna draw another shape in the back here, so I'm gonna pull out, and we're just gonna draw a repeating shape for the other wing. And we can kind of fill that back shape in as well with dark. You know, even if you're doing this in pencil, it doesn't really matter. You can fill it in. You could just not fill it in. That'd be fine as well. I like filling stuff in because it gives it a sense of depth. You know, things are coming forward and pulling back. All right. And I'm going to go over here and pull a line, like a striation line in there. Striation line in here, coming toward the body. Right, these striation lines are, you know, pretty integral to the design, but already has like a really strong read, right? You can kind of see it and you're like, boom, you know what it is, because it's got this strong dark and that strong dark. All right, let's go over here and we're gonna draw that jar. So this is probably the hardest part. I'm gonna go over here and try to draw that straight line down over here on this side. So straight-ish, doesn't matter. See, it can be like wobbly, don't worry. Mine's wobbly right there. See how wobbly that is? Straighten it out just a bit. Curve along the bottom, underneath, curve along the side over here, and straight up. And line across. Out over here, out over here. More line across. Line up. Line up. Another line over here. Line across here. Curve down. And then we're going to pull another line right here. Basically what we're doing is we're symbolizing that top of that jar, top of that container, right? That's pretty much what we're doing. And the top of the container can look like anything, right? You can draw another little like line across here, like a lid area. Doesn't really matter. Let's draw a curved line here in the inside, like a line right there, to show that maybe there's going to be like some sort of draw on the inside here. Like there's an inside area, you know, line over here, and a line over here to show, you know, thickness over here, just to show that this is some sort of container that we have the butterfly in. All right, thank you so much. That is pretty much it. I'm gonna go over and quickly color this guy, not like a full-out coloring design, but I am gonna color it a bit. So, what I want you to do is to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. If you can hear me right now, hit that like, and also check out the free resources on Gumroad. I'm gonna put a link in the description, but go to like you know, I think it's sketchmonster.gumroad.com. I think. Excuse me, I'm coughing. But thank you. I'll see you in a minute. Let's jump into the quick coloring of this.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.